Is your stomach growling like a grumpy bear? Here's why. All right, science buffs. Meet peristalsis, your digestive tract's very own wave machine. It's the process where muscles in your stomach and intestines contract and relax rhythmically, pushing food, gas, and fluids through your system. Even when your stomach's empty, these muscles keep moving. And guess what? That movement can trap air and fluids, causing those famous rumbles. So next time your stomach grumbles during class, just remember it's not being rude, it's just doing its job. Hungry or not, peristalsis never takes a break. Keep munching on that science, folks.